Hello and welcome back to another video with Foreign Chatra. Today we will be diving deeper into the NL Scholarship Guide for international students. So what is NL Scholarship? The Holland Scholarship has now been rebranded as the NL Scholarship to align with the national NL branding. So this scholarship is designed for non-European Economic Area or non-EEA students who wish to pursue a bachelor's or master's degree in the Netherlands. The NL scholarship comes with its own benefits such as financial support. A one-time grant of 5,000 euros is provided during the first year of study. However, the downside being that this grant does not cover tuition fees or living expenses. Now, let's take a look at the eligibility criteria for the NL scholarship. So here, the applicants must be a citizen of a non-EEA country, which means if you are an Indian student, you can apply for it. It is also important that you apply for a full-time bachelor's or master's program at a participating Dutch higher education institution to be eligible for this very scholarship. Now the admission requirements is such that you must meet the specific requirements of the chosen program and institution. And lastly, you have never studied at an educational institution in the Netherlands. These are the criterions that make you eligible for the NL scholarship. This scholarship is offered by various Dutch research universities and universities of applied sciences. The list of participating institutions may change annually. For the most current information, you can refer to their website. Moving on, let's take a look at the application process involved within the NL scholarship. Now, the first step is selecting a program and institution. So research and choose a full-time bachelor's or master's program at a participating Dutch institution, after which the second step involves applying for admission. Now follow the application procedures of the chosen institution to apply for the program. In the third step, you are to check scholarship application details. Now, visiting the institution's website to understand specific application procedures and deadlines for the NL scholarship is very important. The fourth step involves preparing required documents. Now, a valid passport to ensure that your passport is up to date. Now, a motivation letter where you articulate your reasons for choosing the Netherlands and the specific program and how the scholarship will assist your goals. Also, your academic records, so providing your transcripts and certificates from previous institution, and language proficiency, where you submit proof of English proficiency, can be IELTS or TOEFL as required by the program. The next step here involves submitting your scholarship application. Some institutions automatically consider applicants for the scholarship upon program application, but there are some others that may require a separate application, so you may verify the specific process on the institution's website. Now, this last and the sixth step is awaiting notification. So successful applicants are typically notified by the institution via email. When it comes to application deadlines can vary by institution, but it generally falls between February and May prior to the start of the academic year. So it's crucial to check the exact dates on the website of the institution you're applying to. Let's now take a look at the selection criteria. On what basis are you selected? The first criterion, as always, is academic excellence. So strong academic records and achievements play a very important role in your selection criteria. Now, the second is motivation. A compelling motivation letter demonstrating your interest in Netherlands and the chosen field of study is also very important. The third criterion is relevance. Now, when it comes to relevance, the alignment of your chosen program with your future goals can decide whether you will be selected for the scholarship or not. Let's now take a look at some additional tips on how to actually go through the scholarship. The first point here is preparing early. So early preparation, such as starting the application process
well in advance to ensure your requirements are met timely. The second tip is detailed research. So, thoroughly researching the programs and institutions to ensure that they align with your academic and career objectives. Now, also personalization, such as tailoring your motivation letter to reflect genuine interest and how the program fits into your future plans. And compliance, that is strictly adhering to all guidelines and deadlines to avoid disqualification, can actually increase your chances of selection. By following this comprehensive guide, you can navigate the application process smoothly and also take a significant step towards applying and studying in the Netherlands. For more details, you can always check out the NL website. With that being said, Foreign Chatra also provides one-on-one consultation with anything related to study abroad programs. So do check our website and give us a like and subscribe. That was all for today's video. See you all in the next video.